welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Before I start this video, I would like to give a shout out to my best friend Katie. She's just like the best. And this is like what Katie likes to see. Happy little face right here. And yes. And also Instagram, Snapchat, link in the description below. Yes, I know. Look at this. Come here. Right, Roger. Come here. Come on. I know, right here. Yeah. Yes, I know. You like to be on camera. Very much likes to. Look at this. Jingle. Jingle. Watch. Jingle. I know. Okay, don't rub your face on camera. Don't rub face on camera. She's like the best cat in the world. Hey, okay. Whoa. Okay. Cool. She's just like, Jingle, say hi. Why? Look what she does with her. Yeah, you say hi finally. Come here, Jingle. Come on. I know. Come on. Don't make bread on my phone. Yes, I know. You just ran right into my phone. Jingle, you're the best. I know. Well, I'm going to end this video right here, guys. Thank you for watching.